Scotch marine boiler. The Scotch marine boiler, also known as a fire tube boiler, it is one of the most common boilers which are generally used in the marine sections on ships. The boiler is used for ability of compactness and efficiency in operations. The general outline of fire tube boiler is that it consists of two more horizontal cylinder furnace located at the base of the boiler cell. The burst gases and smoke passes from the furnace to back of the boiler and return to its small tubes and get worn out the chimney. Constructions of Scotch marine boiler. The main parts is furnace, combustion chamber, smoke box, chimney, boiler cell, chute boiler, main hole, safety tube and boiler tube. These are the construction of the boiler. Section is a furnace. The furnace is placed above the grate at the base of the boiler. The solid fuel inside the boiler is burned down by use of this furnace. It is a single-ended boiler that consists of four furnaces. These furnaces are normally channelized for the strength. In this type of boiler, each furnace has its separate combustion chamber. The combustion chamber is located at the base boiler shell, used to produce the steam by burning the fuel from the water retained in the shell. The chamber consists of the plate, top plate, back plate, two side plate and tube plates. Next one is a smoke box. Generally, the smoke box consists of several smoke tubes which are placed horizontally connected with the combustion chamber of the chimney. The smoke move to smoke tubes and lastly enter the chimney. The chimney placed to wear out unwanted gases and smoke out of the boiler, and it is released into atmosphere. Chute boiler, its general design is to remove the chute which is deposited at the base of the internal surface of the boiler. The boiler becomes less efficient when the chute is not removing. Next one is a main hole. The manhole is also convened as manhole as the man enters. That boiler specialist. When the working parts of the boiler get damaged. Safety valve, it gives instruction about the boiler such as pressure, water, heat and other substance uses. Boiler tube. The boiler tube has instrument that is used to produce whistle when it reaches the limit as per set. Boiler cell and the working principle. Fuel gets filled into the furnace through the medium of fire hole and heat ignited. The fuel gets burnt off the furnace and result is generating burnt gases. The heated gases moves to the combustion chamber as the result of producing a large amount of heat into combustion chamber used to heat the surrounded water. The water gets transformed into steam process, steam turbine. The water encircle furnace, combustion chamber and exhaust gases moves to the chimney through smoke box. The water encircles the furnace combustion chamber. Smoking tubes result is providing greater heating surface of the water. The chimney helps in discharging a gaseous environment. In this boiler, the degree of water is retained little above the combustion chamber.